at Mine Expo in the Caterpillar booth with Roger O'Quinn, product manager for the Room and Pillar products. Roger, why don't you give me a overview of this particular product right here?
Okay, this is our new CM235 continuous miner. Has 275 horsepower cutter head motors on it. Most horsepower for this size machine in the industry, on the cutting head. We really concentrated on making this machine maneuverable, so we have 110 horsepower tram motors with a variable frequency drive. This machine will reach up to 3.25 meters in cutting height, so it's a very flexible machine, goes from a low position to a pretty high reach for this size machine, so it can be used in a variety of mining applications, low to mid seam. One of the things we really concentrated on back here at the back end was making this machine very maneuverable. So we shortened the back end of the machine almost 2.5 feet over our previous models, and we beveled the back corners. That greatly improves the turning radius, makes it a lot easier to turn a brake when you're operating this in a room and pillar operation. We looked at durability on this machine. We did a lot of work on making sure our pins and bushings were very durable, had a long wear life. We increased the conveyor width for extra capacity and productivity. This machine will mine somewhere between 15 and 35 tons per minute. We looked a lot at increasing throat clearance. That's what really gives you productivity on a machine like this. This is a heavy machine for its height. It weighs between 135,000 and 145,000 pounds. So that gives you the tractive effort along with that tram horsepower to really put that cutting force into the face and get the production off of this machine. This machine has a dual conveyor, a dual sprocket conveyor chain on it. It runs quieter, is more durable than a single sprocket conveyor chain. So all the features that we put into this machine, we met or exceeded our previous machines or our competition's machines.
What's been the reaction during the show?
We've had a lot of good reaction from the customers and a lot of traffic. We've had some really interested people both from the United States and around the world. Because this machine is used in low seam mining up to a mid seam, one of the things we did try to address on this is the maintenance ability and how you maintain this machine in low seam. If you're looking at a seam height that's only 6 inches to a foot over this machine, you really can't change components from the top. Everything has to be accessible from the side. You have to do your oil and your filters and your lubrication all has to happen from the side of the machine. So we tried to make everything accessible from the side of the machine so it would be a machine that could be well maintained even in those low operating seams.